When vandals target your transit system's glass surfaces, you're not just looking at cleanup costs, you're facing up to $50,000 in glass replacement for a single bus shelter. Multiply that across your entire transit network, and vandalism becomes a budget crisis that disrupts operations and damages your community's image. That's exactly why transit authorities nationwide are turning to GraffitiGard Anti-Graffiti film. This invisible protective barrier acts as a sacrificial layer between vandals and your original glass surfaces. When vandalism occurs, you simply remove and replace the damaged film instead of replacing expensive glass panels. GraffitiGard installs quickly, remains completely undetectable, and provides protection against scratching, acid etching, and permanent markers. Backed by Saint-Gobain's 350 years of glass expertise and tested to ASTM standards, it's the proven solution that keeps your transit operations running while protecting your capital investments. The Window Place USA specializes in GraffitiGard solutions for municipal transit systems. Contact us today to protect your transit infrastructure and your budget.